Hi, today is a really exciting day for us here. Airtel has been a pioneer when it comes to introduction of new network technologies. Today, I'm delighted to tell you that we have the first in India to successfully demonstrate live 5G over a commercial network in our own city of Hyderabad. Using dynamic spectrum technology, we are operating 5G and 4G concurrently over our existing spectrum in the 1800 megahertz band. Using this demonstration, using our existing 5G handsets and existing applications, what you get are blazing fast speeds, blazing experience. This validates the 5G readiness of Airtel's network and should give assurance to our customers that when it comes to the latest technologies, Airtel is always a step ahead. We now look forward to building an ecosystem of applications and innovations to bring the real power of 5G to India. Today, what I want to demonstrate to you is the speeds that you can get with Airtel 5G and really the time it takes for you to really get 1 GB file downloaded. So if I come to this side, this is the Airtel 5G SIM inside with the Airtel 5G experience. We've gone to a speed test and we are now connecting and we want to show you the speeds that you will get. As you can see, on the download side, we are getting close to 290 Mbps speeds that we are getting. And if you come to the upload side, you can see we're getting close to 60 plus Mbps speeds. Now really, these are speeds which are humongous. But an average customer today will ask, if I have a 1 GB file, how long does it take to download? What we are going to Google. We are now looking at a 1 GB file, any random file that we want to download. And we're going to press the download now. What you're seeing, the speed at which we're downloading the file. 16, 15. So this is less than 30 seconds. That's the power of Airtel 5G. But then again, 5G is just not about speeds. 5G is about latency. 5G is about concurrency. We are really proud to tell you that we are working with the ecosystem. We are ensuring that the ecosystem matures. And I can promise you that we have been a pioneer always and we'll ensure that we remain a pioneer in the 5G war. So we are showcasing this in the city of Hyderabad. But what we are showcasing is a live experience in the city of Hyderabad. Pretty much, this is a national awareness that we are creating around 5G. So as I said that 5G is just not about speed. For my average customer, speed is important. It is what they look forward. But 5G is also about latency. It's about concurrency. It's the ecosystem that needs to develop. It's an ecosystem that is currently getting developed. And at Airtel, we believe that we can partner with this ecosystem and ensure that as and when the commercial 5G launch happens, we are there as a pioneer. This is the test launch. Currently, we are not looking at commercial. So as I said that we are not looking at timelines. This is just to showcase our capability. But I can commit that we are a pioneer and we'll always be there as and when the commercial launch happens. Thank you.